Okay, hello guys, welcome to Robust Tutorials. Now this week we'll be discussing some new topics of the IELTS test. As you know, IELTS test is taken all over the world uh, by a number of students, including India, China, and many other countries. So let's talk about this topic there on the weekends. I hope this topic could have been much tougher if answers related to these have been much simpler. Now let's try to find out these simple answers. So the first question is about weekends. How do you usually spend weekends? Well, I spend my weekends very casually. I just let my hair down on weekends because I am into the profession in my profession for quite some long time. And on Saturday and Sundays, I especially go onto the markets which are nearby. Sometimes I hit the markets which are far away also and buy some new stuff. And also I go for swimming on the weekends. It lets my hair down and I feel very relaxed. It charges me up for the next week also. Which is your favorite part of the weekend? Why? I think the favorite part of my weekend is the morning session when I go for the swimming because I love swimming. Then when I get into the water, it takes all my stress away. I feel like swimming all the time. It's really fantastic activity. And I also sometimes watch a movie uh, yeah, at night. Do you think your weekends are long enough? Yes, I think my weekends are long enough because after a hectic long week uh, week work, I, I just go to my friends' home sometimes and meet them, and they are pretty enough. I've got long time because I think if 7 days out of these 7 days, if you get 1 or 2 days off, then the ratio comes out to be around say 15 or 20%. So 80% of work and 20% of means relaxing time is quite enough. And I think that's the right mix rather than people who work long hours and some workaholics who keep on working all day long and never take a week off. I think it wouldn't be a good idea to not to go for some winding down period. How important do you think it is to have free time at the weekends, and why? Yes, I've already told you that weekends are very important because you need to charge yourself up after doing some activities. You can't work for too long because your body muscles, your body tissues get wound up, and you really feel a freaky kind of person when you don't get sleep, you don't get relaxation. So I think it's very important. Okay, now let's get on to part two. Here I will give you a topic on which you'll have to speak for about 2 minutes. And remember that you will have 1 minute to prepare your answer. Right, so topic is on your screen. Now you have 1 minute to prepare your answer. Okay, if you want to speak, you can speak now, or you can take half a minute more. Well, okay, sir, I'm going to tell you something about a person who is really wonderful, wonderful person. Uh, I know this person for quite some time now. Actually, he's a shopkeeper, and he manages he's a photocopier person, and in fact, he has a shop located near to my house. And this person is really so versatile in keeping his machines so perfect that I feel like really uh, awesome. That I feel like awestruck. That how can this person be so perfect in his work? Although I just get astounded with the fact that I have been taking photocopies from that shop for over 10 years. And I don't know how he manages his skills. His machines are so old that his copiers have turned from white to yellow color machines. But still, they beat all new machines. You name it, and you just get awestruck by his capability to produce absolutely spotless printings, photocopies. How can he be? And I have known this person for more than 10 years, and his work is really absolutely fine. And and he is such a good, I don't know, mechanic or something, whatever he is, but he keeps his job really intact. I feel like that he has some magic in his hands. Uh, Even the new machines fail before him, and sometimes the photocopies which I give to him is sometimes the copies are clearer than the original documents. And this is amazing that, how can a person do this such a thing? It's really amazing thing. Once I asked him so that how does he keep his machine so working so well? And he said that he does the servicing every day, and keeps uh, the the components very neat and clean, and he oils the machines. And I think apart from that, servicing and other stuff, but he has really very good hand also. Okay, so that was end of your part two. Okay, guys, so that these were the answers. If you like these answers, and then you can reply, you can comment in my box down below. And if you want to take IELTS classes, you can also take IELTS classes from me, and you can subscribe to my channel also. And I hope you will get through the test very effectively and very easily. Okay, so bye for now. See you soon.